What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today's video is actually a viewer request. So if you messaged me asking for a super easy, absolutely delicious grilled teriyaki chicken video, your prayers have been answered. This one's for you. Weeknight friendly, super easy to throw together. Everyone in the family loves it. It's got that perfect balance of sweet and savory, juicy grilled chicken thighs. You're gonna love this one. Let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, I wanted to take a quick second and tell you about the Grill Squad. It is my online barbecue community and education platform. My whole goal is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. All of that happens in the Grill Squad, so check it out at thegrillsquad.com. Now to the recipe. My favorite types of marinades are ones that you can just pile all in the bag, mush them together, chuck them in the fridge, and not have to think about them again until dinner. That's exactly what this teriyaki chicken marinade does. We've got some beautiful tenderizing qualities happening from pineapples and pineapple juice. The soy sauce gives us that savory, juicy bounce in the chicken thighs that we're looking for. And all of the sweetness and aromatics combine to give us an ideal flavor profile with all of the benefits you get from a well-balanced marinade. And it all just goes in one bag, so let's put it together. We're gonna start with 3/4 cup of soy sauce. You can use your favorite soy sauce. They have gluten-free soy sauce if that's something you need. If you can't eat soy, I recommend swapping out the soy sauce for coconut aminos. They're delicious and even a little bit sweeter than your traditional soy sauce. Maybe should have measured this before we started the video. Can we get like some elevator music for this? Do 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 do. Hey, I did it.
Spill any?
I didn't spill any into the bag. Oh, in the bag, my friends, I have about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like thighs. They're juicy, they're flavorful, they're delicious. My whole family likes chicken thighs. We are thigh people. If you are chicken breast people, this recipe works fantastic. If you want to do tenderloins, it works great as well. The marinade is, the flavor deliverer. The chicken is just the vessel. So pick your favorite. We're gonna add a cup of dark brown sugar to our marinade as well. Very, very sweetness. I like the sweetness. I'm also gonna use my cup measure. I need 1/2 cup of either water or pineapple juice. I prefer pineapple juice, and 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks. So we're just gonna do this. And then you can eat the rest. Quick note about this pineapple and pineapple juice situation. Pineapple has a tenderizing agent in it that can and loves to break down protein. Fresh pineapple has this in excessive amounts. If you use fresh pineapple instead of the canned pineapple, your chicken will be mushy. The canned pineapple has been cooked and processed, so it's not as powerful in terms of the ability to break down the protein in your chicken. So canned is best. Do not use fresh. You will have mushy chicken. That is all. 2 cloves of minced garlic into the pot. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. The bonus with this marinade is that later it's also going to double as our sauce. So you get a 2-in-1 marinade and sauce at the end. And yes, do not worry, we will completely cook it so it will be food safe. But I love when you can make one thing and it does double duty. All right, massage. We wanna make sure that the sugar completely dissolves in the soy, all of the garlic and the ginger is evenly distributed, and every piece of chicken has that marinade on all sides. A couple minutes of assembly, a few hours in the fridge, and you're ready to cook dinner. This can be marinated up to overnight. 8 hours if you want to start it in the morning and cook it after work, or if you are a little bit busy and you only have a few hours to marinate, that works too. To the fridge. All right, it's time for phase 2 of easy teriyaki chicken. I've got my charcoal grill preheated using 2-zone heat. That means I have coals stacked to one side for direct heat grilling, no coals on the other side for indirect grilling. My chicken thighs are gonna come out of the marinade and go on the indirect side, and then the remaining marinade from the bag is going into a pan over the direct heat side. We're gonna bring that up to a boil, mix it with the cornstarch slurry, and make a perfect thick, juicy consistency sauce for our teriyaki chicken. Now, because our marinade has so much sugar in it, if we were to put our chicken directly over that high heat side right now, we'd actually burn and caramelize all the sugars on the outside before the chicken was ever cooked through. So we'd have overcooked, blackened, burned outside and raw inside. So starting on the indirect side is a great way to get that cook exactly the way we want it. Like I said, marinade is going into a pan. You can do this on the stove top as well, but I've got hot coals, so might as well use them. Our overall grill temperature here is right about 375 degrees. That means the indirect heat side is probably about 275. Our direct heat side is right above 400 to 450 degrees. Perfect for the two temperatures that we're cooking our sauce and our chicken at. Once your sauce comes back up to a boil, it'll be nice and thick. That's ready to come off of the heat. Now we gotta give our chicken a flip. It's been on for about 7 minutes. So we'll give it a flip, keep it over the indirect side, and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes until our internal temperature is about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 to 7 minutes, second half of the chicken cook. Let's check on our temperatures. Ooh, they look good. Oh, ding, 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 161. That's exactly what we're going for, between 160 and 165. This one's 165. So we're right in the temperature zone we want to be. Technically, this chicken's done, but chicken thighs, I think, taste best at about 175, and we want some of that caramelized right on the border between charred and crispy, and we're only gonna get that by throwing these over the direct heat. So we're just gonna use our tongs, slide them over those hot coals, and grill on both sides for just a couple minutes until we hit that 175 and have that color on the outside we're looking for. Our chicken thighs are at 175. I'm super happy with the caramelization and the color and the crispy crunchies on the outside. I'm gonna pull them off and let them rest for a couple of minutes. Our chicken is nice and rested. We're gonna slice it into strips, and then you can serve it however you would like. I love ladling on the teriyaki sauce, but it's great with rice, extra pineapple, your favorite veggies. All is good. Look at, oh, okay. Come and get in here. Come look at these. This end pieces are my favorite, where that little ribbon of fat sits on the chicken thigh, and then it gets the extra marinade because it was on the outside, and extra crispy because it was on the grill. That texture is everything. The flavor from that teriyaki marinade is so good. Hit it with a little more of that teriyaki sauce on there. Hello! It's so simple. It's so good. My kids love this one. I can't wait to give them dinner tonight because look at this. It is handled. If anything makes you feel like a backyard barbecue hero, it's putting a killer spread on the table for the people you love, and I hope I can help you do that for your own family in your own backyard. If you need this recipe, you know where to find it. HeyGrillHey.com or on the Hey Grill Hey app. Just search Hey Grill Hey Teriyaki Chicken. It should pull up super quick for you. Am I missing anything? I got a little bit like excited about the chicken. I guess not. We'll see you guys next time.